If you are the practice manager who gets the urgent call when a staff compliance document expires, you know exactly how stressful that moment is. The biggest bottleneck usually isn't the primary GPs. It is the receptionists, the locums, and the casual nurses. They all have mobile phones, but they do not have dedicated practice email inboxes, even though most management software assumes they do. Relying on their personal devices for official communication means critical documents arrive weeks late, or worse, they get completely buried in informal chat threads. Here is the resulting problem. On the left, we have a messy string of text messages. When survey day arrives and you look at your empty reporting folder on the right, you cannot actually prove what document was collected or when it was submitted. Forcing a desktop-era email process onto a mobile-only workforce guarantees a compliance failure. In this environment, standardizing on a mobile-first workflow is a reliable way to maintain audit readiness. Let's see how this works in practice. Suppose we need to request a missing medical indemnity insurance certificate from Dr. Alex Torres, one of our Locum GPs. This diagram shows our delivery options. From the Request Hub, we can send a secure link directly to Dr. Torres via native SMS or his preferred chat app. When he taps the link, there is no application to install or password to remember. He immediately sees what is outstanding, an alert for missing indemnity insurance. To resolve this, he simply photographs the certificate and uploads it directly through his mobile web browser. Because this is a sensitive item, he verifies the upload by entering a one-time passcode sent to his device. By stripping away passwords and App Store downloads, you remove the barriers to submission. Meanwhile, that one-time passcode ensures you have bank-level verification of the sender's identity. Back at the administrator's desk, we open the Credential Review Hub to process the submission. Looking at the interface, the new insurance document from Dr. Torres is sitting right here in the pending queue, ready for review. The manager checks the uploaded image to ensure the dates match and then clicks Approve. The moment that approval registers, Dr. Torres' compliance status instantly updates across all practice records. This single click transforms a mobile photo into a formally time-stamped piece of evidence, ensuring your filing system is consistently backed by the actual document. This logic applies equally to non-clinical staff. Let's look at sending a workplace policy acknowledgement to Priya, a mobile-only receptionist. The workflow is identical. She receives a secure link, opens and reads the policy, and taps to submit her acknowledgement. This screen shows the practice's policy register. Instead of a verbal confirmation, you now hold a verified, time-stamped digital signature proving exactly when she agreed. Your regular staff can also take proactive control. They can access a dedicated staff portal at any time using your organization's ID and a mobile passcode without downloading any software. Standardizing every compliance task around this mobile-first architecture helps resolve the core communication breakdown. It removes the friction that leads to the excuse of missing an email. Before this system, administrators spent hours chasing locums through text messages, hoping they would reply before an audit. The new operational reality is straightforward. One link sent out, one document uploaded by the staff member, and one unified approval queue for the manager. The medical practice maintains continuous audit readiness, and the staff never have to change how they prefer to communicate. You can start organizing your compliance workflow today. Visit PracticeCentred.com.au to begin your 30-day free trial. Medical practice starter templates are included, and no credit card is required to sign up. While starter templates help you organize staff compliance and operational tasks, they do not replace your organization's legal, employment, clinical, accreditation, or regulatory obligations.